Welcome to a video by Abron Exports. This is a digital TDS conductivity meter. We have got in this, here we have the ATC or temperature. This is a temperature probe. We attach it here, and this one is a cell, a conductivity cell. We attach it to this, and this one is a power supply. Here we attach it. This one is a temperature probe, ATC probe or conductivity cell. We are putting this in the stand and in the water. The on-off switch is there. When we switch it on, it automatically senses the sensor conductivity cell, and it already, this factor is already there. Scanning, it is done. Reading will be showing you TDS. I show you the TDS is 1.143 and 0.68 ppm is the reading of this solution, and conductivity is 214.5 US. Temperature showing is 20 degrees centigrade. We can calibrate it comes standard calibrated instrument, but if you want to calibrate, you can increase or decrease. Going into calibration temperature, you can calibrate and then save it. Similarly, the other the TDS, using the standard solution, you can calibrate. The manual also is there. We comes with the conductivity, all instruments. We have got the all pH meter, conductivity meter, TDS meter, turbidity meter, and spectrophotometer. Colony contra, all digital instruments are available with us. Visit the website abronexports.com. Our email is info@abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 9922222049 9416020001. Subscribe the channel, like the video, share the videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.